Hello there, you are welcome to this channel. Stay with us as we introduce you to what you need to know about digital marketing part 2. Pay attention. Another thing we will be looking at is warm audience. After you get or reach out to these persons, what you are told to do is to get their contact and follow up with them, either inviting them for a seminar, an event, a house party, a hotel meeting or a call. The third thing I want you to get here is follow up. Now if they show up for any of your invitation, the opportunity is presented most time by your upline or leaders. When it comes to marketing online, the entire process can be simply broken down into 3 simple steps, though we can go deeper and expand it, but boils down to 3 simple steps, generally, the 3-step processes for marketing online. 1. Build a list. 2. Nurture a relationship with your list. 3. Sell them stuff. It does not matter who you are or what you are doing, if you are not building a list, if you are not building or nurturing a relationship with your list, if you are not selling to your list. You will not succeed online. The internet makes it super easy for you to build and scale your business for those who know how to use it. You have very little or no chance of succeeding unless you become and operate as a professional networker. Just to recap so we understand where we are coming from. Having decided to become a professional, the next step we talked about was to skill up and develop the skills as quickly as possible. We said network marketing is a knowledge-based business and you need to arm yourself with enough knowledge to help position you as a pro. Among the several other skills we talked about, we said digital marketing is a core skill every 21st century networker must master to become successful. Hence, this training. 98% of what you see the pros do all stem out from the invisible, applying powerful and dangerous principles for massive success. If you just want to copy what you see them do on the surface without understanding why or the principle behind it, you will not get good result. Remember the iceberg effect I shared with us yesterday? So if you only judge what you see just from surface appearance, you will be very wrong. This is again where the 98% who are below the success line miss it. They want to be told to just do A, B and C and become successful. If anyone tells you it works that way, it's a big lie. Yesterday, I went through some basic stuff and laid a solid foundation guaranteed to position you for success in network multi-level marketing. While the presentation was on, a lot of people were sending me private messages to just go straight into digital marketing. They wanted me to just tell them to do this or do that and nothing more. It doesn't work that way, guys. A lot of things put together is what makes you a professional. This training is designed to position you as a professional network marketer and nothing less. If you have not decided to commit yourself into becoming a professional, you stand no chance to succeed in this business and there's little or nothing I or this training can do for you. If you want to succeed, never operate from the surface. That is where the 98% operate from and which is why they are not succeeding. There is always a why, a principle, and most importantly, a strategy behind what the professionals do and which you need to first understand so you don't walk in the dark and also save yourself from fruitless effort. So, if you see me or any of the pros promoting our business online, what you see is only about 10%. You are only seeing 10% of our marketing, the remaining 90% is embedded in the strategy we are operating with. It is 90% strategy, guys, and 10% on execution. That is the way the online game works. That is how digital marketing works. 90% strategy, 10% implementation. That is why this training was designed. There's a certain level of information that when you have it, it places you at the top. You play your game nowhere else other than at the top. That is what this training will do to you. What you will be learning in this training are the exact same strategies the professionals, big networkers and top income earners in USD are using to crush it. The last thing you want to be known as is just another network marketer. You want to stand out. You want to position yourself for massive success. When it comes to marketing online and using digital marketing to scale big, there's a lot of things you need to learn and gain mastery in. It is not just about sharing a post, setting up a website or driving traffic. While all of that is part of it, it goes way deeper than that. Online media works like crazy and if you master it, it is game over. According to Forbes, 8 out of 10 entrepreneurs fail in business within their first 18 months. According to Forbes, the #1 reason why businesses fail is because they can't get a customer. You can have the best idea, you can have the best mindset, you can have the best leadership, you can have the best products, but if you can't get a customer, you're going out of business. In network marketing, you can have the best products, you can have the best compensation plan, you can have the best leadership, you can have the best team, but if you can't sponsor or recruit new reps, you will not succeed. If you must succeed in network marketing, recruiting is essential. It is the #1 skill you must gain mastery of if you want to be successful in multi-level marketing. Another skill you must master is marketing. It is called network marketing, remember? Digital marketing is a new form of marketing, but it is marketing, and as such, all the principles of marketing will come to play here, but just that we are using technology and the internet to implement our marketing campaign. Digital marketing is so powerful that it has become the way to market any business in this 21st century. If as a networker or a business person and you are not leveraging digital marketing, you have not started at all. You are playing, wasting time, wasting resources, and killing your business. I gave a 3-step formula for marketing online. Build a list, nurture a relationship with your list, and sell them stuff. To begin, there are two important laws you have to understand if you want to build a very successful MLM business and dominate the industry. Everything else is going to be built on these 2 laws. Law 1, the amount of money you will earn will be in direct proportion to how well you can sell, promote stuff. So if you want to make money, you need to be able to sell or promote your stuff. Law 2, the amount of stuff you can sell will be in direct proportion to how much traffic you can get and your ability to convert that traffic into buying or doing business with you. Make no mistake about it, nothing happens until this happens. Nothing happens until you are able to get traffic and then convert that traffic into leads and buyers or downlines. In network marketing, 3 core goals are: 1. Sell products. 2. Recruit new reps or distributors. 3. Grow a team of reps or distributors. In all, we are selling. We are selling our products, we are selling our opportunity, we are selling our team. If you become a professional and understand how marketing works, you will do well in all 3. On the other hand, if you are weak when it comes to marketing, you will not do well. Generally, people do not want to be sold to, but they want to buy. People naturally resist marketers or the idea of being sold to. They want to be the one who decide to buy rather than them buying because you push them into buying. But the 98% of networkers are all out trying to push people into buying or signing up with them. It is the reason people resist them. Professionals don't push. So, how do we sell to people who don't want to be sold to? We sell without selling. Sounds abstract, right? We take them through the customer journey and allow them decide to buy or sign up with us. We leverage very powerful and invisible laws of marketing to influence them to the point where they are now the ones disturbing us that they want to buy or sign up with us, rather than we being the ones chasing after them to come join our team or do the business with us. We don't sell but deploy marketing systems, allow people to become customers, downlines, automate the process and the scale big. The marketing system we deploy to do all of that is what we call funnels. We deploy marketing funnels to do the heavy lifting for us. Now what is a marketing funnel? A funnel is a series of well-designed and crafted steps, designed to move people from strangers to becoming customers. We deploy marketing funnels to take people from being a complete stranger to becoming our downline and team members. We always talk about prospects in network marketing, hence the word prospecting. Prospects are people who need your products and/or opportunity but have not found you yet, and they are everywhere. A list is a number of prospects who have subscribed to getting content or information from you. The word here is subscribed. From the thousands and millions of folks who perhaps might be interested in your opportunity or products, you list. Audience are those who know about you and have subscribed to getting information from you. The first step when it comes to marketing online is to build a list of prospects. If someone has subscribed to getting content or information from you, it tells you that they are interested. When you market online, your first step should be to build a list. Very important. A list is basically information from your prospects, information such as their names, emails, phone number, etc. Your business is built off of your list. Once you have a list of prospects, you can market to them for free for as long as you want. There are several ways and channels to building a list. You can build a list using email marketing, on Messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Once you have your list, that is where your marketing begins. You now have the opportunity to send them messages and content geared towards getting them to do what you want them to do. Either to sell your products or get them to join the business. You now begin to use the power of content to move them from being total strangers to doing business with you. Network marketing is a people business, and people do business with people they know and trust. We call it the KLT factor. If you take a look at the products you are using at the moment, you most likely buy from brands you already know, like and trust. So if your online campaigns is not designed to get people to know, like and trust you, you will not do very well. We achieve that using content, texts, graphics and video content. Not to the general public or just anyone, but to prospects who have joined our list, and that can be automated while we go about our normal business. Once someone joins our list, we leverage automations and prepare a well-crafted messages that will go out to anyone who joins our list. The messages are designed to build what we call purchase intent and get them to be sold even without us talking to them one-on-one or face-to-face. This is so powerful, guys, and when implemented correctly, can take your business to heights you never imagine is possible. We use tools for all of that and set up automated marketing system to handle all of that while we can be on vacation or having a nice time with our family. It's time you decide to play like the pros. When done correctly, selling and recruiting occurs by default and stress-free. You don't want to be chasing prospects here and there to buy from you or sign up with you. The pros don't do that. What they do instead is have them be the ones chasing after them and following our well-crafted and thoughtfully designed marketing system. What we do instead is set up our marketing machine that takes the work off our shoulders and give us consistent and predictable results. If you build a good relationship with your list, get them to know, like and trust you, selling becomes super easy. But 98% are not doing this and don't have this in place for them. That's why anyone can succeed and become the next top earner in multi-level marketing. 98% of the network marketers are not implementing digital marketing, even most of the top earners are not, so you can launch big and rise to the top. Kindly watch out for more of these kind of video from this channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video, thank you.